Well, hello there, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving into a Motion app review where I'll show you what it does and take an in-depth look at its real-world value as an AI-powered productivity tool. If you're looking for a way to manage multiple projects, track time for clients, boost your productivity, and stay laser-focused, you're in the right place. Motion AI promises to handle your workload, schedule your tasks automatically, and keep you on track. Promises schmomises. Let's find out if Motion AI actually delivers. Let's start with a quick overview. Motion is an AI-powered productivity platform that helps you plan, track, and execute your goals more efficiently. As best productivity apps should do, Motion combines task management, time tracking, project planning, goal setting, and much more, all in one very convenient place. The AI analyzes your workload and automatically schedules tasks, freeing up your time and reducing the mental load of tiresome planning. Motion also integrates with a ton of popular applications like Google, Slack, ClickUp, and more. But before we get into anything else, we need to first check how safe is your data with a tool like this. Since it's going to hold a lot of your sensitive information, tight security is a must. Motion, owned by NexusBird Inc., has successfully completed the SOC 2 Type 2 audit, which ensures that it meets high security standards. And Type 2 audits are no joke. They take a long time and check both security design and effectiveness, basically a quality standard that any tool needs to pass to sit at the big boys table. On top of that, to keep your data truly safe, Motion performs independent third-party security audits at least once a year and also supports two-factor authentication for extra account protection. Some of Motion's integrations work with Zapier, which is also SOC 2 certified, so you can rest assured that your data is in good hands. Bottom line, just like you take your goals seriously, that's how seriously Motion is about security. Quick note, if you're considering Motion, there are exclusive deals for Motion in the description below. You know I always have your back with discounts. Now that we're safe, let's talk about how easy Motion is to use and what features it offers you. What I personally love is that Motion is primarily a web-based app, meaning I can use it on any device with a browser. However, there are also desktop apps for macOS and Windows, plus mobile versions for iOS and Android. Basically, it covers all the bases. As a personal preference, I just don't like installing extra apps if I can do the same work online. You feel me? One of Motion's standout features is task management, allowing me to add tasks, set deadlines, prioritize work, and track progress effortlessly. Whether you prefer a structured list, a Kanban board for visual workflow management, or a Gantt chart for timeline view, Motion provides multiple ways to visualize and manage tasks efficiently. With some of the other best productivity tools lacking customization, this is a very big plus for me. Another key feature is a calendar integration, which syncs seamlessly with my existing calendars, including Google, Outlook, and iCloud. This integration prevents scheduling conflicts and ensures a unified calendar view, making it easier to manage all of my commitments in one place. Perhaps the most innovative aspect of the app is its Motion AI Scheduler, which dynamically organizes my tasks based on deadlines, priorities, and workload. Not only does it intelligently allocate time for each task, but it also schedules breaks, ensuring that I don't overwork myself. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, the AI-generated schedule can be manually adjusted to better suit individual preferences. However, it's worth noting that while this feature is highly effective, there may be a slight learning curve for those who are new to AI-assisted planning. Fine-tuning and providing the AI with enough relevant information can significantly improve scheduling accuracy over time, so you'll just have to get good at it. Motion also includes a robust time tracking feature, which is especially useful for freelancers, consultants, and project-based professionals. Users can log billable hours, generate detailed reports, and easily keep track of how much time is spent on specific tasks or projects, making it a valuable tool for productivity analysis and invoicing purposes. Although, admittedly, I've personally used this probably the least. While Motion is not a full-fledged project management tool, it does offer strong planning capabilities. I can create projects, break them down into smaller tasks, set milestones, and monitor progress, which makes it a great option for teams and individuals who need structured planning without the complexity of advanced project management software. I've used Trello for so long now that this is a breath of fresh air, but as much as I really like Motion, for planning, Trello still takes the cake. Another feature I want to mention is the AI Meeting Assistant, which simplifies the process of scheduling meetings. Instead of constant back and forth emails, Motion allows users to set predefined time blocks when they're available, letting others book meetings during those slots. This ensures that meetings are scheduled at convenient times while preventing interruptions during deep work periods and is a lifesaver in large companies. To sum up this short Motion AI review of features, it provides an impressive set of productivity-enhancing tools, making it an excellent choice for individuals and teams looking to automate and optimize their workflows. While its AI-powered scheduling requires some initial adjustments, and there could be a bit more improvements, the time-saving gains make it a compelling solution for anyone looking to streamline their work process. Look, don't get me wrong, while Motion App is an impressive productivity tool, there are a few downsides to consider. One of the main drawbacks is the limited client collaboration features. Freelancers who work closely with clients might find it challenging to share project progress directly within the platform, which could be an inconvenience for those managing multiple clients. Another potential downside is Motion's heavy reliance on AI automation. While the AI-powered scheduling system is a highlight, some users may prefer more manual control over their schedules rather than relying on AI-generated plans. This could mean a learning curve for those who like to manage their workflow in a more hands-on way. While I don't think the manual and AI balance is perfect, I do think Motion will get there. If you're finding this Motion review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth productivity app reviews. Now let's talk money. Motion offers 3 different plans to accommodate various users. The individual plan, as the name suggests, is designed for solo users using to optimize their productivity. The Business Standard plan is geared towards teams with fewer than 20 users, while the Business Pro plan supports teams with 15 or more users. More expensive plans also pack even more features, but these seem to be more obscure and case-specific. Each of these plans comes with both monthly and yearly subscription options. While there is no difference in features between the 2 billing cycles, the yearly plan provides way better value, making it a smarter choice for those planning to use Motion long-term. Go ahead and grab Motion through the link in the description. It might even give you a discount. When it comes to customer support, Motion provides standard assistance options. I can access the Help Center, which includes FAQs, detailed articles, and tutorials. There is also in-app and email support, where I can submit support tickets for assistance. However, a key downside is that priority customer support is only available for business users, meaning individual plan subscribers may experience longer response times if they need help. I'm not gonna lie, the support is probably the weakest part of this tool. I mean, for sure, the AI does a lot for you, but you will need to put in some elbow grease. So is Motion App worth it? If you're looking for AI-driven productivity and automation, the answer is yes. Some of the best aspects of Motion include its wide range of integrations with other productivity tools, making it easy to connect with existing workflows. The time tracking feature is particularly useful for freelancers, and the AI-powered scheduling system ensures that your workload is intelligently planned. Of course, if you're someone who enjoys leveraging AI to optimize workflow and productivity, Motion is a fantastic choice. If you're ready to give Motion a try, be sure to check out the discount link in the description, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want more videos about productivity tools, or you have one you want me to check out, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching my Motion app review, and I'll see you next time.